This last song I'll sing to you, it came from something that one of my teachers said to me when I was a little boy. I was a bad little boy, you know. I hadn't found music yet, so I was very restless, very wild, very impatient. I was looking for my thing, you know, what I was supposed to do with my life. And I remember I was always looking, so impatient. One time my teacher, she said to me, she said, "John, no, stop." She said, "You can cut open a bird. You're not going to find the song." And I said, "Oh." She said, "You know what I mean?" I was like, "Not really. I'm 6 years old. I don't know what you're talking about." She's like, "Just listen. Listen. Find your own." It's been an honor to sing to you. Thank you so much for coming tonight. Some nights I want to get up here and sing a bunch of nonsense. I know that my voice ain't good enough to pay lyrics, not yet. This is the last song, the moment of truth. If this one fails, what good will the rest of them do? And I'm trying to stay focused and stay in the moment, but all I can think about is if my flight has been open. I swore I checked before I came home. Maybe that was last night now. I just can't recall. I would ask you to check for me, but that would be asking a lot. So I'm just gonna check real quick. You're doing your own dissecting the bird, trying to find the song. It's a miracle that I'm here at all. Oh, yeah. I don't trust a musician who's always complaining it's hard up here, but so is everything. You know what my job was before I did this? I used to walk around parking lots picking up trash. Do you know how many people paid to watch me do that? Zero. Always zero. My poster sales were zero for my trash pickup job. So even if no one comes to this one, they still let me play guitar. I don't trust a musician. There's always complaining. Sometimes it's clear, sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's the gorge, sometimes it's a garage. Get over yourself and do your goddamn job. All y'all doing it wrong, dissecting the bird, trying to find a song. It's a miracle that you're here at all. Candle flickers when the days get dark. They call them first world problems. They still break your heart. The universe feels like it's against you. Just take a minute to realize all that it took to make you. Your parents had to meet, as random as that was. Hang out long enough at least to make some love and make a baby and give it your name. And all your ancestors had to do the same, exponentially backwards to the start of life. So much random shit had to happen, just exactly right. Sparks had to catch, oceans had to freeze, billions of cells had to survive, endless disease, civilizations had to crumble, wars had to get fought, bad presidents had to get elected, and good presidents had to get shot. People had to leave, hearts had to get broken, people had to die, just so your eyes could open the universe. It's not against you, the universe is not against you if you allow, just to give you a chance. Just so wanted you here, pretty bad. No pressure though, no pressure though. Universe went through a lot, but no pressure, bro. You don't gotta be perfect, you don't gotta be saint. Just don't waste it.